Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel, ARTFOLIO Gallery. Before we delve into the world of hyper-realistic eye sketching, please consider subscribing and ringing the bell if you haven't already. If you're new to the channel or are just starting your art journey, I invite you to check out my previous videos. They offer valuable insights and essential techniques across various mediums, making them perfect for beginners. Now, without further ado, let's jump into our latest tutorial on how to sketch a hyper-realistic eye. Stay tuned for an exciting artistic journey. Step 1. Prepare your materials. Gather your essential tools, a set of high-quality pencils, ranging from 2H to 6B, a smooth paper surface, a blending stump, and an eraser. Step 2. Create the base sketch. Skillfully outline the basic shapes of the eye, carefully marking the proportions of the iris, pupil, and surrounding features. Pay attention to the subtle details like the tear duct and eyelashes. Step 3. Establish light and shadow areas. Identify the primary light source and start shading the areas that would naturally receive less light. Gradually build up layers to establish a realistic range of tones. Step 4. Refine the iris. Focus on the intricate details of the iris. Shade the iris to create a realistic texture, and use subtle strokes to capture the unique patterns and reflections within the eye. Step 5. Add depth with pencil gradients. Use a variety of pencil grades to create smooth transitions between light and shadow. Employ hatching and cross-hatching techniques to enhance depth and dimension. Step 6. Define eyelashes and eyebrows. Carefully draw individual eyelashes and eyebrows, paying attention to their direction and length. Use fine lines to achieve a natural, lifelike appearance.
Sometimes there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves, there's no one I can turn to. And I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past. And I know your relationships are never meant to last. And I'll take some time, but I'll be alright. We're moving on. We're moving on. I know times are
Step 7. Highlight and final touches. Introduce highlights with an eraser to mimic reflections and add a touch of realism. Fine-tune any details that need enhancement, ensuring a polished and hyper-realistic finish. Follow along with this tutorial to refine your pencil shading skills and create stunning hyper-realistic eyes. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and share your amazing creations in the comments below. Let's elevate our art together. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll delve into another exciting artistic endeavor. Until then, take care, keep creating, and goodbye.